Hello Vietnam.
Hello Vietnam.
Hi, I'm Ray Braun. I have the privilege of serving as Dean of the College of Business at Bowling Green State University. We are dedicated to student success.
Currently a senior at Bowling Green State University, College of Business.
I'm a second year here in BGSU, majoring in marketing.
Studying Management Information Systems and Business Analytics.
I help you get a degree, help you find a job, and prepare you with the skills you'll need to succeed in your career in life.
I just finished my guest services internship at Cedar Point Amusement Park. This is my College of Business. Let's follow me around to see my experience here in BGSU and to see how much CBA helped me grow.
Plenty of opportunities for you to be engaged in our college, from attending social events to professional networking. You'll learn those skills that will help you be an engaged student.
I finished my high school in LadySmith, Wisconsin, then I applied straight to BGSU because I know they have a really high-ranking business school and I want to do business since I was a baby. I didn't know which area of business I want to go into though, but after getting here and getting involved into the student organization and got a close relationships with faculties and advisor, I found my passion in marketing, and that's how everything began.
I have a chance to do the internship with one of the Fortune 500 company.
I work in Cedar Point this summer. They are the roller coaster capital of the world. They welcome over 4 million guests a year.
I'm actually doing the real work to have the company implement the new software. And when I come back from the internship to school, most of the professor look and the employer looking at my resume for what I did during the summer, and all they can say is impressive.
I know it's a lot of work and I have to try really hard to learn to do all of that, but it pays off though because I got much better with my communication skills, my creative problem solving skills, and those are the transferable skills that will help me in any career path I will choose in the future.
Have me expand my career in the future, but most importantly, it helped me discover who I am as a person. And it just feels right here. It feels like home without being home.